G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome back to Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about the suspension knuckle ball joint available from Minisport. Now, these suspension knuckle ball joints are available from Minisport for both classic minis and Mokes. These are a really easy item to change when you have your suspension apart, or if you have any sort of noises, any sort of issues happening with suspension. They're a fairly standard sort of thing to replace and are a non-serviceable item, meaning that when you take it out, you pretty much just throw it over your shoulder, straight in the bin, replace it, and away you go. Now, they do come in two different types. This is the upgraded polyurethane boot that comes from Minisport, or you can buy the standard replacement, which is just obviously a rubber boot. Now, it does come as a complete assembly, so we do have the cup under here, we have the boot here, and then we also have a ball and socket joint, or the knuckle, that sits along here. So this is the upgraded one, like I just said. It is only a couple of dollars more compared to the standard one, and is a worthwhile upgrade if you are doing any sort of suspension repairs or upgrades to your classic mini or Moke. Now, you can buy these components separate as well. Now, in terms of the knuckle, you can't, but in terms of the end cap as well as the boot, you can replace those individually. So if you do have a torn boot and you just want to be able to get away with just doing the boot, you can certainly do that. However, if the cup is worn or you're trying to pull it out and it gets damaged, you can replace that individually as well. So these are a really affordable thing, and like I said, if you're doing any sort of suspension work or upgrades to your classic mini, or you have any sort of noises in there, these are a really affordable thing that you can go and just replace and eliminate one of those extra little dramas. The benefit of having a polyurethane boot is it will last a bit longer, and it is a little bit more sturdy that I've found compared to the standard rubber type. There's nothing wrong with the standard rubber ones, but just for the extra money that you pay between them, you might as well get it and upgrade it to the better component. That's my opinion. So make sure to check out the range at minisport.com.au, and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.